and red. B is for bumblebee, buzzing ahead. C is for clouds, floating up high. D is for dragon, who soars through the sky. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox, running through the land. G's for giraffe, tall as a tree. H is for hedgehog, rolling with glee. I is for ice cream, sweet on a cone. J is for jellyfish in oceans unknown. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, king of the spree. M is for monkey, swinging with cheer. N is for nest, where birds appear. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for quill, writing a story. R is for rainbow, shining in glory. S is for sun, warming the day. T is for tiger, prowling away. U is for umbrella, opening wide. V is for volcano, with fire inside. W is for whale, singing a tune. X is for xylophone, making music soon. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, with stripes all along.